Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you know, also this year Christmas is approaching, and I had a little Christmas shopping because I thought it would be great to get some items and show you around some packaging and gift wrapping for soap and skincare DIY products. So this is a nice sturdy box that I got in a local dollar store. I don't know if the camera picks up, it has some glittery elements, and then you have this rustic kind of cardboard color, and I like the combination very much. And this is the gift box that I'm gonna use this year for my deluxe Christmas gift box on my website. Now here I got some other items from the same dollar store, starting with these adorable stickers here that I thought would be a good idea to add to some gift boxes or gift tags, whatever, as a decoration. And I got this one for €1 at the dollar store or euro store. And then we have these tags here with different themes or different characters, and it's always written to the person from who it is. You can add the name, and it has some jingle bells, so it's really very Christmassy and cute. Here also very nice, there are some laundry clips, or I don't know exactly how you call it in English, but you have these clips that you would use to hang your laundry, and then on the front you have a little design, a Christmas design, for example a gingerbread man or a candy cane. And I also thought it would be a great addition to a gift tag or a gift box, why not? Pretty cute. It was also €1.50 for entire set, so it's really affordable. Then next are these design paper blocks, and they have different designs in it. You can see very Christmassy, and the paper is quite strong, quite sturdy. And what I want to try this year is to use them to make some gift tags. You can make little gift boxes, gift envelopes, or similar projects with it, and I think it's really practical. It comes for €2 for the entire block. Or then this bigger one here, it's 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters for €3, and you have double-sided designs here. These are great, like if you want to make some gift boxes with it. It's the exact size that you need. I will show you the gift box maker in just a minute. I just wanted to show you the designs here inside of this paper, and you have, I think, 25 of these sheets in here for €2. So you can imagine if you make a gift box, it's very, very inexpensive. Also, I use these papers here as backgrounds for my pictures sometimes. When I take photographs of my products, I think it's great. So that's the design block. Then I also got some ribbons. Here this very classic Christmas look type of ribbon, or this one with the polka dots, also very cute. This year I wanted to keep the color scheme like green, red, white, very classic Christmas look. Now here comes the gift bag punch board. It's a little tool that comes from a company called We Are Memory Keepers, and I have different type of these boards here that I'm using to make gift boxes. So here is their website. Here you can see the gift bag punch board and some examples. You can make like different sizes of gift bags. And they also have the gift box punch board, and this one is the new one, and I'm very excited to try and make the first one. I actually already did the first ones. This is just like the very first try, just because I was so excited to just grab a piece of paper and make a bag with it. And here it is, a little gift bag with a sticker on top. got this one here with a ribbon. So I'm going to make a video about how to use it and how to make gift boxes for Christmas. This one here is the gift box punch board, also by We Are Memory Keeper, and it's really easy. You can just pull out one of your design papers, and I always keep a bunch of those ready to go whenever I need to make a gift box for different type of occasions with different designs and so forth. And then you basically follow the instructions on the punch board, and then you can just make your gift box. It's very easy, and I think it's very special if you have a handmade product in a handmade gift box. Makes it really very special. See, there is the gift box. You just add a little sticker or a ribbon to it and you're good to go. You can make very personalized gifts. Let me know in the comments down below if you're interested to see a video on how to make a gift box. Okay, so that was the gift box punch board that I already have, and I know how it works. And you will see in a couple of days I will use the gift bag punch board to show what you can make and how you can use it to make your Christmas gifts with it. But back to our haul. How cute are these? I really have to show this again. Okay, so now this is another tool by We Are Memory Keepers. It's a tag maker, a tag board. It's from the same series as these other punch boards that I showed you specifically for tag. You can see here. I found this accidentally in a shop and it was 50%, so I thought I had to get it. And then I want to use these rather small papers here to see if I can make some tags and then show you. I need to exercise a little bit and then I'll be back very soon so we can share how it works. Then another thing that I found that was really cute are these gingerbread gift boxes, also in the dollar store. I'm always amazed of the things that you can find in the dollar store, and this was so cute. I thought, yeah, I need to have this. And then there was also an advent calendar. It's a box with 24 little boxes inside. You can put in some gifts, and then every day in December you get to open one box and then you find your gift. Stay tuned for some more Christmassy projects here on my channel coming up very soon. Looking forward to it. I hope you too. And in the meantime, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye.